What's up? Welcome back to Tinkergineering. So today I'm going to be doing this super awesome bracelet Tinkergineering craft. Okay, so let's get into it. So what you will need to make this craft is paper, scissors, popsicle stick, a paintbrush, Sharpies to make your design, Mod Podge, a clothespin, a cup of water to wash off your brush, 2 jars. One is for soaking, one is for molding. So this bracelet is going to be a bracelet that you can pop on and it's going to be made of wood. You don't have to latch it or anything. Okay, so let's get started with making it. So you're going to first take your paper and your popsicle stick and you're going to trace your popsicle stick out on your paper, like this. Okay. Okay, so this paper is going to be for the design on the popsicle stick. Okay, so now you can set this aside. So now we're going to focus more on our popsicle stick. So you're going to take your popsicle stick, your clothespin, and your soaking jar, and you're just going to take the popsicle stick and stick it in the soaking jar because when wood gets wet, it's easier to bend, so we can bend it into a bracelet. Special thanks to Shana and Andrew for giving Tinkergineering a brand new glue gun. Thank you guys so much. We really appreciate it. We really needed one. Like, both of our glue guns were down, they were junk. Not good. But this is amazing. It's even better than the ones that we used to have. As you can see, it probably floats. That's how it should be. So I'm just gonna pop this clip on so it doesn't float. So just pop it on. Okay, so now you're gonna leave this aside. You're gonna set the popsicle stick in there for about 20 minutes. Now we're gonna bring back the paper. So this paper is going to be used for like the design that you want. So now we're gonna create the design that you want on the bracelet. So I'm gonna make a cool Tinkergineering sign. It doesn't matter if you get off the lines right now because we're gonna still cut this out, so it's perfectly all right. Okay, so now once we've finished our design, we're going to go ahead and cut it out. Okay, so once you're finished cutting it out, you can throw away the scraps. It's been 20 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pop it out. So try to dry it off. Now I'm just going to take my molding jar out. And then I'm gonna start to curve the popsicle stick. Because now that it's wet, it's easier to mold. And it will not break as easily as if you didn't. So that's why we soak it. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to fit it in the jar. Okay, so now I'm fitting it in the jar. Sometimes you have to like push and pull and just... Okay. So now once you're finished, you're just gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. So it's been a half an hour and our bracelet has dried by now. So now I'm just going to pop it out of the container. So cool. Okay, now for the fun part. Go ahead and get your cup full of water, your brush, your Mod Podge, and your design. And let's get Mod Podging. Is that even a word? I wonder. I'm just going to pour a bit of Mod Podge in here. Mod Podge, Mod Podge, Mod Podge. No more Mod Podge. Okay. So I'm just gonna take my little brush and put it in the Mod Podge. This Mod Podge is like a sealant / glue. So I'm just going to brush it on here. Make sure you get everywhere because this, your design will cover everything. But make sure not to get on the inside. Okay, so now I'm going to place my design on top of the Mod Podge. So make sure to line it up pretty good. It's not that hard. Okay, and then once you finish that, you're gonna Mod Podge the top of your bracelet. So Mod Podge only takes like a few minutes to dry. It dries really quickly. Almost dry, almost dry. There. While we're waiting for this to dry, I'm going to entertain you with humor, I guess. Haha! But okay, that wasn't funny. But I have more. No, I don't. Wow. Really entertaining. I know how I'm so entertaining. Like right now, I'm like the most entertaining. You're all on the edge of your seats. Almost dry, almost dry. Almost there. And now it's dry. It's not actually dry. Oh, guys, in case you haven't noticed, we have a new thing in our background. It is a Tinkergineering sign, and it is super awesome. It's really cool. I got to help cut out the letters. It's so much fun. Check it out. Okay guys, so now the bracelet is dry and I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks. Oh my gosh guys, this is so cool. I really like this bracelet. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really enjoy it. Make sure to like and subscribe to Tinkergineering. We would really like that. So yeah, bye guys!